Good morning, dear children. I wholeheartedly welcome you all to grade 3. I hope you enjoyed your holidays after exams and had fun. But now it's time to get back to studies. I wish you all a wonderful school year ahead. So, let's get started. Children, our topic for today is our Earth in the solar system. Let's talk about our universe first. Our universe is unimaginably and infinitely big. Everything that we can and cannot see exists within the universe. It consists of galaxies, planets, moon, stars, meteorites, comets, satellites, and many other things. It is believed that the universe was born out of huge explosion called the Big Bang many years ago. At the time of Big Bang, things in the universe were hot and tightly packed. After the explosion, the universe started expanding. All the things began to cool down, which led to the formation of stars, planets, solar system, galaxies, and various other celestial bodies. Together, they form the universe. Many such stars, clouds, and gases together form our galaxy. There are different galaxies in our universe. The Sun is a part of a galaxy called the Milky Way. There are billions of stars in the Milky Way. Now children, as you know that the Sun is also a star and the ultimate source of almost all kinds of energy we have on Earth. During the day, we can see the sun in the sky. It appears as the brightest object in the sky, like a huge ball of fire. It gives us heat and light. Earth is about 150 million kilometers away from the sun. Yet, it is just at the right distance from us. We get enough light and heat from the sun to allow living things to grow. Even the moon gets light from the sun. Children, did you know that the sun is actually a very big star? Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. The sun is the center of the solar system. The solar system is egg-shaped. It is also a part of the Milky Way galaxy. The solar system is made up of the sun and the 8 planets. The 8 planets, their moons, asteroids, comets, etc. orbit the sun. Planets are made up of different materials such as rocks, metals, and gas particles. The 8 planets that orbit the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Another heavenly body, Pluto, that was earlier called a planet is now called a dwarf planet. Children, do you know what is a dwarf planet? A dwarf planet is an object that orbits around the sun but is not big enough to be a planet. So, Pluto was categorized as a dwarf planet in 2006. Pluto is called a dwarf planet because it is too small, smaller than the Earth's moon. The 4 planets that orbit close to the sun are called inner planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the inner planets. They are made up of rocks and have few or no moons. Mercury is the smallest planet. Venus is the brightest planet. Venus is also known as the twin planet of Earth. Earth is the only planet known to have life on it. Mars has rusty red color, so it is called the red planet. The four planets that orbit far from the Sun are called outer planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the outer planets. They are very big in size. Jupiter is the largest planet. Saturn has many rings around it. Uranus has more than 27 moons. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. So children, that's all for today. Find out few more facts related to our solar system and universe and share it with your teacher in the class. So children, have a nice day. Thank you.